Thank you for tuning in, everyone. You're in for a treat this week. We are filming from Friday Harbor off the coast of the United States. And especially for you, this week we have with us French renowned oceanographer and researcher, Orca expert, Pierre de Latour, here with us, the author of the best-selling book, Frères des Orques, other words known as Orca Whisperer, or in the Brotherhood of Orcas. And through the course of this week, we are going to present to you for the very first time ever, live, from both offshore Canadian waters and United States waters. You'll be following us on an adventure into the groundbreaking research that Pierre has been developing, not only with ocean medicine, but also with whale medicine. In other words, beginning to understand that the proximity or underwater encounters with these incredible creatures touches the lives of those who have the incredible honor and experience of being in close proximity with them.
Thank you, Genvièv. Thank you very much for inviting me in your amazing program. And if you guys are not subscriber, please subscribe to this amazing program, because I follow the program of Genvièv and I'm a great fan of your work, your amazing work, Genvièv. So thank you also for introducing my book, Frères des Orques, which is the story of 20 years of experience in close encounter with orcas, close underwater encounters. And I've been doing this activity since 20 years. I have now more than 6,000 close encounters with orcas. And this book tells also the beginning of this encounter, the first one, when in a couple of seconds, these magnificent creatures has changed my life. And nothing could be the same after this first encounter. They have changed my life. Now I'm guiding people in close encounter with orcas. I'm guiding free divers every winter in Norway. And I noticed something very, very important, according to me, the fact that when you have been approached, by orcas, they change your life. Not only mine, but also most of the people that have been guiding in this activity. And what is remarkable with orcas, but also with whales and dolphins, is that the changement is always going for improvement, always going for healing, for the best. It always repairs, it never damages.
And that's wonderful. And today we met with another researcher who is now the director of a protection of orcas, who told us the same story. Pierre, when you initially encountered the orcas, you had absolutely no intention of doing so, and they came to you, and they vocalized their message and their communications to you. And from that moment on, your entire path, your direction of life was transformed. The man we met today is a captain and also was having his lunch on board his sailboat, and so suddenly found himself surrounded by a pod of orcas. He didn't know about orcas, and his first thought was, I'm going to be destroyed. And they simply stood out of the water and vocalized their incredible communications to this man. And he told us, like Pierre teaches all over the world, when you receive this message, the power of the communication goes through your emotional fabric and seems to change your physical, mental, and emotional body, and also the direction of your path. And so in the following week, we will be tuning in with you. So stay tuned to my channel. We'll be tuning in with you daily, and we will reveal for the first time on camera the incredible program that Pierre is developing worldwide to make this therapeutic, this whale medicine, available to each and every one of you. So thank you so much, Pierre. It's such an honor and a pleasure to be with you in person after 20-some years of friendship. Yeah. And we're very excited. We'll be meeting with the Indians off the coast of Canada in remote territories who have had encounters with whales and orcas. And we'll be sharing with you Pierre's message of whale medicine and the well-known message also of ocean medicine. So we look forward to seeing you in our next video, possibly tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, people.
Thank you so much for joining in. Subscribe, like, share, and also share your comments. If you have questions for Pierre, do so under the video and we'll be responding to those questions. Thank you so much and see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.